Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Board. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video, I would like to ask you that if you are new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's start the review. Nubicoin Meme Land. Discover the next big meme crypto gem, Nubicoin. Nubi token is a community-driven meme coin designed for meme lovers and crypto enthusiasts. Next, we have some information about this token. Welcome fellow memers and myth seekers to the world of Nubicoin, a digital oasis where the ancient wonders of Nubi collide with the modern marvels of internet humor, inspired by the rich history and vibrant culture of Nubia. Nubicoin invite you to explore the timeless art of memetics while reveling in the absurdity of the memeverse. Join us as we unlock the meme mysteries of Nubia and embark on an adventure filled with laughter, intrigue, and pyramid-sized puns. Next, we have some information that how we buy these Nubi coins. Open your wallet, purchase it, use Uniswap, and get Nubi coins. You can also get their Nubi coins from here. Next, we have their tokenomics. You can check their all tokenomic details from here, like their token name, Nubi coin, token symbol, Nubi, total supply, taxes 5, token distribution, pre-sale 60%, liquidity 30%, burn 10%. You can also check their tokenomic circle. This is an amazing project. Next, we have their roadmap. Number 1, pre-sale, community building, fair launch, AMA and community contest, pre-launch marketing push. Number 2, Nubicoin rise, community growth, coin market cap, listings, trending, listing on major sexes, huge marketing push. Number 3, meme takeover, ambassadors, announcement, TI6 listing, 10,000 plus holders. You can also join their social platform like their Telegram, their Twitter account, and their Discord account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update. This is an amazing project. Next, we have their white paper, Nubicoin Unrevealing the Meme Mysteries of Nubia. Prepare your carrots and don your finest hard dresses, for Nubicoin is here to take you on the memetic journey through the sands of time with the wit of the Nubians and the hilarity of internet memes as our guide. We present to you a cryptocurrency experience unlike any other. Join us as we unlock the meme mysteries of Nubia and embark on an adventure filled with laughter, intrigue, and pyramid-sized buns. You can check their all details from here, like their key features and benefits, the Nubi OSIS, tokenomics, roadmap. As I told you, their tokenomics and roadmap. This is an outstanding project. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye.